Good evening, mortals. The madness contained in this sinister series will test your sanity. Subscribe now and satiate the specter that haunts these hallowed halls of tutorials and trainings. The Prince of Darkness. Tonight we unveil the haunting tale of the curse of blurred vision. In this eerie twilight, an ancient curse awakens, shrouding our prints in low resolution, a sinister veil that blinds the designs, rendering them blurry and underwhelming. But on this fateful night, as the moon wanes and the spirits roam, the curse tightens its grip, plunging the print into a realm of blurry darkness. But fear not, for we hold the means to break the curse of blurred vision and restore clarity to our prints by using graphics that are 300 pixels per inch. As the haunted night recedes, we've shattered the curse of blurred vision, ensuring our prints emerge from the abyss of blindness with newfound clarity. Within the haunted corridors of direct-to-film printing, knowledge and precision are our guides through the cursed darkness. Farewell, dear viewers, as this haunting tale concludes. Share your own printing mysteries, and together we shall confront the spectral unknown.